Hey, I'm Kevin at What We Thought. Today I'm going to frame in this old closet. So the old closet was right there. Took the door off, everything. We took the walls off in the previous episodes. So for right now, I'm just going to frame that in, and then we'll look into putting the new door in. But first things first, let's get that framed in. And again, we'll be doing this on the Ring camera, and it will be in fast motion.
All right, so today I'm going to close up this closet wall, and this is where the old closet was. This is probably the easiest part of the whole rebuild. Is you just have to measure the opening, and then cut all your boards, frame it out, and stick it in, basically. So right now, I am cutting all my boards. I got my headers, my footer, all my studs, and you just got to make sure you get them to the proper length. And then I'm going to lay them out here on the floor. Put my 16 on center boards there and just start nailing it together. Like I said, this is probably the easiest build of the whole project right here. Okay, so we just slide it in there, tap it, get it straight to where the old wall is, and nail it in. The next thing you got to do is I've got to get the fire break pieces in there. There's just 3 of them, so they're super easy. Just measure in between, nail them in. That wall, I'm remeasuring because I had them at 50 inches high. So anyway, that's how easy that is. All right, now I'm going to take down this drywall, and I'm going to put a doorway in here, and there's still a couple of boards there that I need to take out. So I'm going to cut those out, get those 2 boards out. One more. I cut at the top and the bottom just so I can reuse the wood if I ever need to. Away from the drywall, just like that. Now, this door frame that I have right here was the old closet door, and when I took it out, I made sure that I cut it out carefully, just cut the nails and pulled it out and saved it. So that lets me reuse this as my door frame because it's the same size door as the other one that I'm using. And, you just got to get it nailed in and make sure you're level, make sure your gaps are the same. As long as all of that's good, just nail it right back up in. You just got to toenail it in. And I had another doorway open already, but we changed where it was going to be, so I have to put the 2x4 back inside that I took out. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, not too difficult. Not too good on this rebuild.
So, got that wall built right there. That was the old closet opening, and I can't put drywall up until we have the framing inspected. I got the doorway back in. So I reused wood that I took down, and this door frame right here, I took that out of what was the closet that was this ended right around here, the front part right down here. If you can see that right there. So yeah, so I'm reusing some of the wood that I had. That's why I cut it at the top and cut it down the sides so that I could reuse it. All right, so now all I got to do is get that door in, and still got to build a closet, frame out the closet too. But for now, we're going to get that door in.
Okay, so I do have a pre-hung door. I got to cut out that skid plate. So right now I am measured, and I'm putting in some shims where the hinges are. You want to start that out first on the hinge side. And if your walls are straight and your floor is level, putting in a pre-hung door is fairly simple. If you've never done it before, it's going to take a little bit longer than it probably should. But as long as you have a level and you check your levels and make sure everything's good, they're not too hard to install. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then you want to check the gap and then put your shims in and try to line your gap to have your gap even all the way up and down. So this door is just about done after I get it all level. Uh-oh, the foreman's here. Elizabeth's here telling me what to do. No, she's just here checking the work and pretty impressed. So, and of course you got to clean up at the end.
Okay, so that concludes this episode. I did get that wall up. I got the door hung, and the next episode we're gonna be tackling the closet. So come on back, and we'll get the closet framed out. Thanks for checking this out. Hope you have a great day.